If you just know to use an instructions, you just
which is better?
So I think
They're all the same.
but they're all the same. But
This one is always a couple of two.
no kuvuga ngo umuntu ugiye kubiringa no kubona hano hari imfunguzo nyinshi ariko rumwe rugenda ruguhereza
urundi
no kuvuga ngo hano muri mugiye gushaka uburyo ki murone ki iri butume mufungura hari
turaza kumenya gute ke turaba tubonye hanyuma ifungura ngaho
iyanyuma ni muri murabibona ya misaye kandi murafungura
nese hano ubu no kwishaka hano
no kuyishaka no kuvuga ngo game imeze gutya aha urahabona kumageza ubwo naho hari ibikindi gahunda aho urafungura kugira ngo uje muri site
urafungura
hari closet
okay
This is a door.
yes
What?
Hi you guys, mbababwire hano mura turi muri escape room and twajya gukina game nakumva ariko iyi game by'ukuri twabaye ko azin. Hi guys, tugiye kureba movie. Namse nyiriwe nako
Running ako sisu yo warayirebye
kandi rero nashaka kuza kureba
yizkona igihe hari itari kwimwe zaba ari at 8 kandi amasaha yaje
aya 8 ntago ajya kureba mu siko nabyira mu ngo saa 4
gereza bikagera saa 4 so where are we going to
mwana sari he
actually twari kuba twigumiriye mu ndani
iso ni
harimo utuntu tw'udutebe
yego dusubireyo
twari tuzi ko twege the party ya mbere twarayibona
yiriya
none tweretse ni nayo mpamvu nyine ubona tumeze nkaho turi disappointed ya party ya mbere
nese bara ku kibagumyemo hari bari
ubona barasohotse
wow nese ibindi bintu hano berekana ni ibi ni game na game gusa bisanzwe
movie ni jengi horror kamera disciplines.
Where are you going?
Actually, mind it, you are taking
yeah,
go and be alone at home. What the fuck is that, bro?
Trend
uzi indi sigi hari
Sambi
indiri sambi nago bazerekana gutya zigenda kuza
kuno batarapoze why
whatever the fuck I just stayed over there, man.
yeah bintu hayo nanga byiza afungura amandazi yeah
For 3 kamine around 3 o'clock navyutse nikamaji n'inyama zari zamaze 2 days.
niyo mpamvu
I slept for like 3 hours only today, bro. I was gaming, bro. I was in Call of Duty. I had to kill them niggas.
still have Call of Duty
Nigga,
nene sebeke mbaba harahakorera iki
you know, we can maneuver some other place.
but bayana tukababwira tukaza tuziterekeye it's possible
anda hano mu iri hano mu zuba
akashaka izuba sun-kissed. The long walk.
none se
The strange.
yawe disikono
Wait, izuba mani nado. It's not that bad. We can go and swim.
ako this is what yeah this is what
yeah this place is nice uje kwicu
yeah baby shandiye kujya ku cyicungo haya ni big kid niko batavuga ugiye kubyicunga kuri balanceware
sigiye mu gihe
yo sha
kera
look at it says ureba hano bivuge
You know what happened in Kigali today? Remember, there is this woman who washes my clothes.
reba y'abantu bakuru
hano nta by'abantu ikintu cy'abakuru gihari tujye
ni ikihe ese ni ibiki sha ibintu mbere ukacanye n'umwana muto
kubera iki mwanza
big kid
Yo! What the fuck am I doing? Bro,
you gotta try that
none se ibi ni ibiki
ikintu cyose kiba gifite kubera iki mutagishaka
gukora baze kuduha amafaranga yacu sha none mwarigaragaza we don't have we don't ntabwo dushaka gukomeza kuwestinga time why ko ikibanza kuza gukora baza baraka mukora musubize ko ikibanza gukora come on for free my G what you talking about bro you're marking for free for some sha cyakoze mana ya none ni abagara ngo siko mwagiye ntimutanasezeye
asha manu zikuye ko
So the key, it is not one key that you have just facing inside. We have many keys there inside.
so in the movie you get a key to open something
Yes. One step can give you another step. If you just know to use an instructions, you just.
which is better?
So, I think
They're all the same.
but they're all the same.
But
But
this one is much more. Which is more harder between this and this?
this one is different than this
Then
one.
why don't you take us there?
We have some people there.
How long will they take?
They are just, I think, the menu is. But this one is it's good than this one.
no you want the challenging one
I want something. Oh, our IQ is up there.
I feel it
Yes, we have some minutes.
Still have some minutes?
Yes, now is this one.
so this one hajya ngo kuvuga ntabwo mbitahura neza
So, I understand it.
They understand it
They-
well.
we do
but
understand
For me, I will try.
So, ni ukuvuga ngo ahangaha ni icyumba cy'umukino nyine bita psychiatric. Ni ukuvuga ngo ni nk'uko habaho ni nk'uko wumva nyine kwa muganga. Hari aho abarwayi babanza, hari n'aho hagera.
Why are you afraid? These guys are afraid.
So, ni ukuvuga ngo game imeze gutya. Aha urahabona ko hageze. Ubwo naho hareba gutya ni aho naho urahafungura kugira ngo ugire mu inside.
oh
Yeah,
Urahafungura?
hari closet.
okay
this a door
Yes.
what sino hano
Komeza kutubwira.
So, noneho ni ukuvuga ngo ugiye kudiringa no kubona hano harimo imfunguzo nyinshi ariko rumwe ruragenda ruguhereza
urundi
ni ukuvuga ngo aha ni mugiye gushaka uburyo ki murabona ki iri butume mufungura hariya
turaza kumenya gute ko turaba tubonye hanyuma ifunguro aho ngaho
iya nyuma ni muri murabibonera inside kandi muraza
ndetse hano ubu ni ukwishaka
ni
hano
ukuyishaka ibyo byose biri aho birabategereje ngo nimwe muri bubirebeho mu buryo muri bubikoreshe all documents are there.
alright
mbega ni nkuko wumva umuntu yakurangira ahantu akakubwira ati atuye Kicukiro arashaka
umusangeyo inzira unyuramo
wenda arashaka ko muhurira muri Gasabo kandi ubanze guca Nyarugenge
ubwo ugiye gufunga aho ngaho
ndafunga hano.
you have to try this or the other one you can't wait for the other people that's the only
Yeah, we can do this, bro. We already inside. Bro, just wish us good luck.
okay mbese ibintu bye ni iby'ibiki
okay let's read the rules shots wanaryama dore hano baba everything about kugira numara n'isaha.
Hey, big sister who understands me. I'm sorry to be different. I heard you. Don't worry about me. The tall man with the white house is taking good care of me. I said, like you, that I can.
Hi you guys, mbababwire hano hantu mubona turi muri escape room and twajya gukina game murikumva ariko iyi game by'ukuri twabaye cooked as in look at this hano hari everything we need sibyo ariko byatunaniye
These are the clues, the hints. This is the letter from the alleged crazy guy, the patient. So the patient needs to tell us where the key is so that we may go into that room. Sure, it's further better.
and we have to find the keys for these padlocks, okay? And you guys, we are cooked, bro.
We just cooked.
This. Hano bantu bafite kuba bazihishe.
Of course. These are his drawings. Oof.
So what's what you know doing the guys are trying everything.
Wait, what the hell? What is it? Can you read it?
Okay. And we'll check on back to the bed.
Fata.
You guys, then let me call her.
Yes. Boy.
You guys, we are cooked, but I room meze gutya. Mudushake keys, ariko naho tutagiye. Oya, tujamo tuze cyumuko turebe. Kana cyumukoye.
Is it moving?
Yes, it's going round and round. I think it is supposed to be there. It's supposed to be there.
Because
Bro,
if
that's-
not, then we'll have to.
None se izi matara ubu ntizicitse.
We've tried that. Because under
It has to be the key. I was like, damn.
Cyangwa dukuremo n'amakaro turebe. Have you found anything from here?
Not yet.
Wow.
Whatever is in that blue box will lead us to the next room.
To that room. That one.
N'ubundi iriya niyo hint ya mbere buriya blue box. So ubundi
He's a man of mess.
ati you guys hano hari blue box. Usanga iyi ngiyi niyo hint ntuza ya mbere.
Let's see, hold on, Okay, hold on. There is 065. There is a number called 065. Is there anything called 065? Do you have anybody named 06?
Hano sarama nimero.
I can try to.
There is a number there, okay? Is there a number anywhere here?
065.
Okay.
Look for 065.
06.
Let's see if the number is here.
Then padlock zisanzwe.
263.
263.
Okay, let's see. 20, 50,
065.
Okay,
let's
065.
None se.
065. If I'm given enough time, we might figure this shit out. Listen, let's check even over here. Maybe there is something over here. Something to do with the numbers. 065.
This is going to make me clash out.
Guys,
Imagine if it comes.
I'm here for it. I want to see a fucking card.
Oh.
yeah, karabaye. Ko bizini.
They're trying to play with the hormones.
No man, this thing doesn't exist, bro.
These niggas are doing mathematics here. Okay, no, they were not. There might be something in this shit, man. I think so.
Thinking.
Nanjye kandi ndebe mahano. Guys, update. Umva twaje gushaka ukuntu dufungura hano hantu and ahangaha hano bafungura. So, twagiye hano. It's already time, you guys. But twagiye mu yindi room. Have you opened that? It's already time. Ngaho twereke ya key watubwiye ko. Okay. It's already time, bro. Ariko nyine aba barwayi bo mu mutwe shaba ari abasazi. Yeah.
rero tuno dupapuro ndabakopeje ariko undi sinakabivuga
twadukoze tubwiye tumwe ko tuza tubikora
udupapuro tuguhereza ahantu biboneke n'amangana
twahoze nyine tubigira tureba ko ariko we can't find anything.
Ni logic. Logic.
He's about to cook. Let him cook. Oh my god.
Don't mind me and I want to nshaka gukora nyine outro y'iyo video na yino nyine hano abo twagiye gukora imikino game. Rero ukuntu nyine byarangiye nshaka ko mbashyira hano. Muri kumva ukuntu nyine byarangiye abasha kutubwira uko nyine game ikinwa n'ikinyi byanjye ko ntabwo bitubwiye byose ariko guys game rwose mana we ni movie yo I was really surprised nyine imwe turi muri movie byari into reactions kuko nyine yari nka Squid Game niba bakinnye nyine abantu muzi kuri Squid Game rwose mwayirebye was the same mwanarebye Escape Room iyo zose bice byose the same thing kubera ko mana yanjye iri experience nayikunze ukuntu bya challenges mu mitwe yacu IQ yacu yagiye down twabaye nk'ibigogi cyangwa se baba mu cyakimbo bararwaye mu mutwe bavuze ukuri pe uko bari barwaye mu mutwe natwe twarwaye mu mutwe yo bega gusa ikintu twizinye nuko oya umuze kwikina and utarangi tuzasubirayo tuzakina indi game yitwa Psychiatric hari indi bakina. So you guys, I recommend you that game. Muze kwikina muzambwira. So bye guys. So jangaha nize mwakoze video mukore subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye. Peace.